another edition of We Wednesday. Miss Colleen and I would like to welcome you all. We're so excited that you're joining us for this virtual program. So let's jump right in and see what instrument we're going to be using this morning. Got my trusty songbook right here. Just a reminder, our May theme is going to be Nursery Rhymes, which goes along with our Main Street Children's Museum's theme because we're based on nursery rhyme drawings that Vernon Grant did. So it is May 12th. So our instrument we're using this morning, shakers. So make sure to get your shaker ready for these songs. Okay, friends, let's sing our Hello Friends song to get started. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. It's time to say hello. Hi, friends. All right, do you have your shaker ready? It's time to grab your shaker. It's time to grab your shaker. It's time to grab your shaker today. It's time to grab your shaker. Give that a good old shake. Good old shake, good old shake. Great job. Shake it up high. Shake it down low. Shake it to this side. Shake it to that side. All right, friends, our first instrument song for this morning is called The Grand Old Duke of York. You ready? Okay. The Grand Old Duke of York, he had 10,000 men. He marched them up to the top of the hill, and he marched them down again. And when they were up, they were up. And when they were down, they were down. And when they were only halfway up, they were neither up nor down. The Grand Old Duke of York, he had 10,000 men. He marched them up to the top of the hill, and he marched them down again. And when they were up, they were up. And when they were down, they were down. And when they were only halfway up, they were neither up nor down. Great job, friends. All right, and our next instrument song for this morning is a nursery rhyme called Hickory Dickory Dock. Pretty fun to say, right? Can you say Hickory Dickory Dock? Hickory Dickory Dock. Great job. All right, so our shaker is going to be our little mouse running up the clock, okay? Hickory Dickory Dock. The mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1. The mouse ran down. Hickory Dickory Dock. Let's do that one more time. Hickory Dickory Dock. The mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1. The mouse ran down. Hickory Dickory Dock. Great job, friends. Give one last really good shake. And now we're going to put our shaker away. It's time to put the shakers away. Shakers away, shakers away. Time to put the shakers away. Put them away for another day. All right, friends. Now we're going to check out our felt play for this morning. Our felt play for this morning is called 0 Cookies, and it goes like this. Mama baked 4 cookies, left them sitting on a plate. When my 4 friends came to play, I guess they couldn't wait. Each ate 1 big cookie. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now there's 0 cookies left, but Mama's baking more. I hope y'all enjoyed this felt play, and now we're gonna head to an exhibit in the Main Street Children's Museum to do our movement songs for this morning.
It's Nursery Rhyme Month with We Wednesday, and this morning we're going to do Mary, Mary, Quite Contrary. So here are the hand motions. You're going to make silver bells, cockle shells, and pretty maids all in a row. You want to try it? Here we go. Mary, Mary, quite contrary, how does your garden grow? with silver bells and cockle shells and pretty maids all in a row. Now that garden was a flower garden, but I'm here at Main Street Children's Museum in our garden, and this is a vegetable garden with tomatoes and corn and potatoes and carrots and lots of yummy vegetables. And our next song is called Do You Eat Your Vegetables? So we're going to pretend to eat our vegetables, and at the end we're going to rub our tummies because they're so yummy. You ready? Do you eat your vegetables, your vegetables, your vegetables? Do you eat your vegetables each and every day? Yum! Good job, everybody. We are reading our story today with permission from HMH Publishing, Growing Vegetable Soup, written and illustrated by Lois Ellert. Dad says we are going to grow vegetable soup. We are ready to work and our tools are ready too. We are planting the seeds and the sprouts and giving them water and waiting for warm sun to make them grow and grow and grow into plants. We watch over them and weed until the vegetables are ready for us to pick or dig up and carry home. Then we wash them and cut them and put them in a pot of water and cook them into vegetable soup. At last, it's time to eat it all up. It was the best soup ever. And we can grow it again next year. Vegetable soup can be fun to make. What are your favorite vegetables to put in vegetable soup? Hope you enjoyed our story today. Thank you for joining us on Wee Wednesday today. Hope you join us again next week. And now it's time for our goodbye song. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. It's time to say goodbye.